what's up YouTube? So my next project is going to be putting a full updated wiring harness in my 1979 Bronco that you see behind me. The harness is from American Autowire. It's fully labeled all the way through. It's all updated fuses, pretty much plug and play. You do have to build your plugs, you know, for your lights and everything. It comes with full harness from basically nose to tail. You do have to order the tailgate harness if you're going to buy it for a Bronco, which I'll have a link in the description for this kit and for the tailgate harness. It's pretty straightforward. It comes with full instructions and all that stuff, so it probably shouldn't be too difficult. I haven't put the wires in yet, but I'll be, you know, shooting video and giving you a little bit of a description of how hard it is. I'm not very good at wiring or anything like that, so you know, if I can do it, you can do it. All right, here it is. So that kind of gives you an idea what's in there. That's what it's for. Truck or Bronco. This is the book. To give you an idea where everything goes. This is a full harness. I mean, from nose to tail, everything you need. Shows you where the fuse block goes. This is the full list of what's in there. They have everything labeled and all that stuff. It's the full kit, man. The full deal. Here's the main. I don't know if see, you can see like right there, dimmer switch feed. They're all labeled. Brake light switch, which is pretty cool. That's one of my favorite things about this kit. Is, you know, when I'm done, if I ever have to got any problems or looking at anything or looking to install anything, I know what all the wires are, which is pretty awesome. I've already got started pulling my old stuff out. I'm trying not to just cut and pull. I'm trying to pull everything out the way it should come out. That way I kind of have an idea on which way it goes in. All right, now I got to start pulling stuff out of the engine compartment to get the rest of the stuff out of the dash. Well, it's out for the most part. All the wiring has been pulled out. It's all right there in a nice pile. My camera died, so I couldn't get the rest of it, but ended up having to drop the tank out because all the wiring runs up through there, and you want to get the sending unit off the top of the tank, and all the wiring runs up next to the transfer case on the driver's side, so all that's out. But yeah, pulled all these out. I don't know if I got that or not. So the kit that you buy, this kit, it does not come with the tailgate for the Bronco, the tailgate harness. So you actually have to buy that separately. It's 70 bucks. Ordered it, figured that out today. So that'll come, but no, it doesn't look as easy as I thought it was going to be. It's you kind of got to build the wiring harness yourself. I mean, the main one is pretty much all wrapped up and zip tied and everything. That one looks like it's not going to be too bad. The rear body harness, it's not as wrapped up already. Let's see if I can. So you can see, you know, the plugs on it that plug into the main harness, but then you have to hook up your make your own plugs and whatnot. I mean, all the wires are labeled, so you know what they go to. So now the task of putting all the new stuff in is up next. A little intimidating. I rolled it all out and kind of looked at it. It's a lot to do, but it's all labeled, so I'm feeling pretty good about it.